What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoe-tainment today. Coming at you again with another episode of What's in the Box. Today, man, I feel like I got a steal. We got a great deal on this thing. I'll get to all that in a minute. Right now, I just want to say, how about them Panthers? Panther Nation, stand up, man. I got a meeting with Cam Newton on Monday. We got to talk about his passing and some of the things that he got going on. You know, they call us the cardiac cats for a reason, but bruh, this was a little bit much today. We're going to have a team meeting. We're going to work it out. We're going to be all right. Either way, the Giants lost thanks to Graham Gano and all that adamantium leg. He got Wolverine legs, man. He can kick 80-yard field goals, man. The dude ain't no joke. I seen him do it. I might be lying, but I seen him do it. You can believe it. You cannot believe it. Anyway, if it's your first time over here in Atlanta, McFly, man, I welcome you. Hopefully you come back and become a frequent flyer over here, man. We do a lot of great things over here, a lot of dialogue, a lot of shoe reviews, a lot of all that. We got some very, very big things coming up and in the works. But today, man, getting back on subject here, we've got a steal that I actually got off of Foot Locker. I've been eyeing this shoe for a very long time, but I didn't want to pay the retail for it. Retail on the shoe was 170 bucks, and I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna kick out 170 on it, but if I can get it for cheap, I'll go ahead and pull the trigger. So they went on sale on Adidas and they had them for like $70, and I still didn't pull the trigger, thinking I could get them cheaper. Like, man, I might be able to get them cheaper than 70. Let's see. Wrong. Didn't happen. I missed out on them. Luckily, I caught them on sale at Foot Locker. I had a coupon and they ended up running me about $85, which is not terrible. I love deals. I'm always looking for steals. I'm always looking for come up on quality shoes. But this was really a gamble. You know, for those of you who don't know, all my what's in the boxes are all shoes that I'm gambling on. You know what I'm saying? It may hit, it may miss. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But for those of y'all who know me, you know I'm into some strange shit, man. I like some strange things. But I guess I won't hold you up no more. We'll go ahead and get this box open. These are going to be the crazy BYW level 1s. This is hands down the strangest shoe I've ever seen. What is this? Chinese style honey sesame. Yo, how come every time you order some shoes from Foot Locker, they put a thing in here from Graze? Did any of y'all ever order that? Anybody that does, let me know, is Graze any good? And if you want to use this special coupon, I'll link it in the description below. Cause I ain't gonna use it, cause I own Graze. I ain't a damn cow or none of them farm animals. Foot Locker receipt on deck. As always. And now we pull out the shoe. This is actually the OG colorway. Adidas ain't playing, man. They wrapping them up. Both shoes individually wrapped. Thank you, Adidas. I wish Nike and some of these other brands would do some shit like that and really let you know that they took the time to keep your shoes nice and not scratched up and fucked up when you get them. And well, I'm over it. I'm ranting. My bad. I apologize. I'm sorry. Some wounds take a long time to heal, man. I've been scarred. That's all I'm saying. Scarred for life. And here they go, man. These bad boy BYWs. But before we get into that, for all my regulars, as you know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, I was live practically all day at the football game today. Great seats and all that. Julius Peppers jersey on deck. Follow it up with the Wale Asics Gel Light 3 International Championships, boy. Shout out to Wale for putting some real stank on these things, man. For all my WWE fans out there, y'all already know how iconic that Intercontinental Championship belt is. Why am I having a hard time saying Intercontinental? Intercontinental belt. How now, Brown Cow is to WWE, man, and he really hit this on the head. I wish he had to put a little bit of white on it, but it's all good, man. I'm rocking with it. This is what we had on feet today. Just move him out of the way. And in regular McFly fashion, we're gonna hit you with this close-up action. Alright, man, we locked and loaded. Before I get into this portion of the review here, I want to take this time to shout out my homie Greg Green, man. 3D printing aficionado, man. He hooked me up with this Panthers logo and this Jordan 1 shebang, which I was mad because the little arm broke. It had the little arm going up, holding the basketball, you know, the Jumpman logo. And it literally broke yesterday when I went to bring it downstairs to shoot it in the video, man. But you guys can follow him on Instagram at SGGREEN. That'd be him. Get at him, man, for all your 3D printing needs, man. You want something done up, or you got some styles or designs or something, man. His prices are very reasonable. Just get with him. Tell him McFly sent you, man, and he may cut you a better price or whatnot. Just trying to show the homie some love, man. He's in ahead of the game on this 3D wave. It's just the next big thing, how it's coming through. But yeah, you into that, you need something done. Panthers logo, some Jordan 1 stuff or whatever. You looking for some paperweights for your desk or something, any of that, bruh, he can get you fixed up. As you can see, this bad boy is a size 14. It's gonna be a personal pair. We keeping these. We're gonna hit you with this on foot in a minute. But like I was saying, man, I got these off of Foot Locker, and you know, I've been staring at them for a while. They've been out a long time. Retail was $170, but I was not gonna pay $170. When they was on Adidas for $70, I should have went ahead and grabbed, but I didn't. I don't know why. I just thought they would get cheaper. But you got mesh here on your toe box. This kind of feels like that elastic mesh. Then it rolls up into this woven mesh, which is the tongue. Here, that's the same kind of mesh. You got your elastic strap. Here, these thin laces. The tongue is actually suede. It's got Adidas there. With your Concord purple hits for your lacing system, which I thought was pretty awesome. You know, you just got your hoop there. I was really confused about these side panels. As you can see, it's suede, but you see how it has the little lines in it? I was thinking like that was corduroy. So now, man, is that corduroy? I'm not rocking no corduroy. Get out of here. Not no corduroys. But it's suede, you know. You got your white going all around there. Concord purple pull tab on the back. Is there anything on the inside of these? Yeah, I'll lace it real quick. I think it says crazy in there. For those of y'all who don't know, back in the day, man, they had Kobe's. They kind of took from the same inspiration, the whole crazy eights and all that crazy shebang. Is where it comes from. BYW, by the way, stands for Boost You Wear. For those of you guys who don't know, you got all that thick boost up in there, man. If you still haven't got a pair of Adidas yet, or a Boost product, get over yourself, man. Go get you some. You heard it here first. You got your little plate here. I think the traction on this looks insane. Can't wait to put it on feet, man, and really see how it feels. But so it's a good deal, man. Even if it's a horrible shoe on foot, you know, it was only 80 bucks. I ain't really tripping, but I doubt it, man. With boost and comfort, you just can't really beat it. I don't think there's anything more comfortable than a boost shoe. And you could probably freak this. I was thinking about getting like an Orlando jersey or something like that. Excuse me. Something like that to pop it off, man. I ain't seen nobody doing that, you know. And these look really good on feet. I've seen some people wear them, but not this particular colorway. I haven't seen these around a lot, but I know they're selling. I know people buying them, but yeah. That's pretty much it, man. Simplicity at its finest. All kinds of different materials. Well, 2 different kinds of mesh, elastic strap, suede, plastic here on the, it's like PVC or TPU, whatever the hell they call it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Y'all know I love things that look weird, bro. I'm into weird stuff. It's my thing in 2018. But we're gonna go ahead, man, throw these on feet, get a little walk around action.
Yeah.
All right, man, we out here. We got them on foot. As always with Adidas, you know, the cushioning is great. When it comes to this boost, I don't think nobody's really beating it. This feels pretty good, man. Feels real good on feet. It's not tight, you know. Like a little everyday, you know, little throw-on shoe or something, you know what I'm saying? Not amazing. Nut shots. I know some people really be wanting to see that. You trying it today, boy. Going all out. I guess realistically, my only issue with this is this little piece right here. You can see it, like I can like get my finger in that. I don't know what tightens that up or holds it closed because it's just a loose upper with a tongue. If this didn't have a tongue and this was just one unit, I don't think I'd have that issue. But this one is a little bit like it, but it's not that bad on this shoe. But on this particular right shoe, maybe I just didn't do the laces the same. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. At any rate, man. Oh, I didn't walk out. Hold on, let me do my walk. Yeah, and there we go. Top-notch comfort. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. Just the only issue is that side right there, but I'm gonna figure that out. At any rate, it's your boy McFly with another real review. I'll holla at you.